Well, greetings and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on Kung Fu techniques. Let's go ahead and get started.
Open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Throw your weight. Inhale. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4. And come back to the center. Second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And goes up. And last but not least, we got to do a few strengthening exercises. We're going to do some push-ups. There's several ways you can do it. On the knuckles, first 2 knuckles, fingers, palms, wrists. But for today, if you're just beginning, palms are the best. Palms are good for conditioning. So from here, we'll just come down, keep the fingers off, and we'll do 25 push-ups. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do it. 11, 12, halfway, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And up. All right.
Excellent work. If you're ready to move on, check out this video over here, and I'll see you there. Stay inspired and inspirational.